In this video, we shall see the master data for the work centers, which is again an important master data in the production planning module. So through the navigation, SAP Easy Access menu, we go to logistics, and within the logistics, we go to production. Within the production, we go to master data. Within the master data, we go to work centers, and then another folder work center, and then the display work center, which is CR03. So you could have type the code directly. So the plant is DL00, and we are looking for some of the work centers. So if I don't have the code of the work center, I will just find it by using the search key. And I have a total of 11 different work centers defined in plant DL00. And I want to see the data for the assembly work center. So I just select it, and it has been copied. The ID has been copied. I press enter. So you can see this is the plant Dallas, and this is the work center DL assembly. And there are 6 different tabs available here for different pieces of information. So the work center category is labor. It means the mainstream work done in this particular department is actually by labor, not by machines. So there is a mention of the responsible person. And again, there is a mention of some standard values in terms of the setup, machine, and labor times required or available in this particular work center within a limited period of time. So this is actually a control of sort of, we have a mention of some default values, some capacities, and some scheduling and costing and technology. So for the scope of our review of this master data is just to see the very first screen. The capacities have not been maintained, so we won't be able to see in this demo system. So we don't have the data for capacity. So we just go back and we call another work center, which is maybe just another department. So we call maybe the inspection now. So let's look for the inspection. So this is INSP 1000 inspection. So we look for it, the master data for it. So we have again, this is also a labor intensive department. And again, we have the mention of the responsible person and some other information, which is not very much relevant for us. So that was the master data for the work centers. Work centers are actually essential to produce any product because the execution of the production is actually done in the work centers.